Next question is example number 1. It is very important. In the given figure, ray OS stands on a line POQ. Ray OS stands on a line POQ. POQ is a straight line. OS is standing on POQ. QR and ray OT are angle bisector of angle POS and SOQ. Ray OR is angle bisector of angle POS. Ray OT is angle bisector of angle SOQ. Then find angle ROT. We are to find the value of angle ROT. Now see in this question, POQ is a straight line. OS is standing on this line. Then angle POS and angle QOS are forming a linear pair. Angle POS plus angle QOS is equal to 180 degree because these are forming a linear pair. Now angle ROS is half of angle POS and angle SOT is half of angle SOQ because OR is bisector of angle POS and OT is bisector of angle QOS. Means OR is bisecting angle POS. Bisect means dividing into two equal parts. Means OR is dividing angle POS into two equal parts, angle POR and angle ROS. OT is dividing angle QOS into two equal parts, angle TOS and angle QOT. Now we come to the point what we have done by now. POS plus QOS is equal to 180 degree. Then half of angle POS plus half of angle QOS is equal to 180 by 2, means half of 180. Now half of angle POS is angle ROS and half of angle QOS is angle TOS, means angle ROS plus angle TOS is equal to 180 by 2, that is 90. See here, now you will see it in this question. See, OS stands on PQ, OS stands on POQ, then angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. OR is bisector of angle POS. OR is bisector of angle POS, means OR is dividing angle POS into two equal parts. Means angle ROS is half of angle POS. OT is bisector of angle SOQ, it is given. Therefore, angle SOT is half of angle SOQ. Now we have taken these two equations are equation number 1. POS plus SOQ is equal to 180. This is equation number 1. Angle ROS is equal to half of angle POS. ROS is half of POS. It is equation number 2. SOT is half of angle SOQ. It is equation number 3. Now first equation was angle POS plus SOQ is equal to 180. Now dividing this whole equation by 2. We have divided this whole equation by 2 because we are to find the value of ROT and that is the sum of ROS and SOT. Therefore, we have divided this equation by 2. POS by 2 angle SOQ by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. Angle POS by 2 was equal to POS by 2 was equal to ROS. Angle SOQ by 2 was equal to angle SOT. Now we have put the values. 180 by 2 is 90. ROS plus SOT. ROS plus SOT is ROT. Angle ROT is equal to 90 degree. It was the first example, very important example. Now we come to the next example, and this is also very important. As in figure, OP, OQ, OR, OS are 4 rays. OP, OQ, OR, OS are 4 rays. Prove that angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle ROS plus angle POS is equal to 360. Means we are to prove that the sum of angles around a point is 360. Because these all angles are formed around a point O. Angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle ROS plus angle SOP is equal to 360. We are to prove this. Now to prove this, we will extend any of these all lines, these all rays, to make a line. See here, we have extended OQ to OT, so that TOQ is a straight line. We have taken a construction. What is the construction? Extend OT to OQ to OT means we are extending from point O to T such that TOQ is a straight line. Now what was given in it? OP, OQ, OR, OS are four rays emerging from same point O. To prove is angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle ROS plus angle SOP is equal to 360. Now construction is extend OQ to T, extend QO to T such that now TQ is a straight line. If angle, this implies that angle TOP plus angle POQ is equal to 180. TOP means angle TOP plus angle POQ is equal to 180 because TOP and PQ are forming a linear pair. Sum of angles on a straight line, we can say that sum of angles on a straight line is always equal. Therefore, we can say that angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. Now what we have taken? Angle TOP plus angle POQ. These are forming a linear pair. Therefore, angle TOP plus angle POQ is equal to 180. Also, we have taken angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. Now we will add these two equations. When we add these two equations, we will get angle POQ plus angle POT plus angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180 is 360. Now when we add these two angles, angle TOP and angle TOS, we will get angle POS. From here we will get angle POS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ plus angle QOP is equal to 360. See here, angle adding 1 and 2, we have got these two equations. TOP plus PO, angle TOP plus angle POQ is equal to 180. Angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. We add these two equations. In adding, we have taken these two angles in the bracket because these two angles are forming the angle that is given in question, that is POS. TOP plus TOS we have taken in bracket. Rest of the angles we have written like this only as it was. Angle, from here we get angle POS plus angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR or ROS, same thing, SOR or ROS, same thing, is equal to 360. And this question is proved. Then we come to the next one. We have come to exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree, means angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and angle BOD is 40. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. We are to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Reflex angle means this angle. We are to find more than 180 and less than 360. See here. Given is angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. You must have to write given from the question angle BOD is equal to 40 degree because it also has some marks. Then to find out is angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Now solution is angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. It was given. Always the solution starts from given. Clearly angle AOC plus BOE plus COE, AOC plus COE plus BOE is equal to 180, because these three angles are formed on a straight line, and sum of these two angles is given, that is 70. We will put that sum in this equation, then we will get here 70 plus angle COE. Sum of these two angles is 70, that is given. We have put the value. We get 70 plus angle COE is equal to 180. From here we get angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. Now reflex angle. This angle we have got equal to 110 degree. Now rest of this angle, that is when this angle is subtracted from 360, we will get this reflex angle. We are to find reflex angle COE, that will be equal to 360 minus angle COE, that is 360 minus 110, it is 250. Reflex angle COE is 250. Now angle AOC plus BOE, angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70, it was given, and angle AOC and angle BOTC. Is there any relationship between angle AOC and angle BOD? Yes, these are the vertically opposite angles. This is a straight line, this is a straight line. Then these two lines are intersecting and these two angles are opposite to each other. Therefore, angle BOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. And just now we have done that angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Therefore, angle BOD is equal to angle AOC is equal to 40. Then angle AOC is equal to BOD is equal to 40. Now we will put this value in equation. AOC plus BOE is equal to 70, then 40 plus angle BOE is equal to 70, angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30. This is the complete solution of this example, and this is very important. Then we come to the next question. Question number 2. Lines XY and MN intersect at point O. Line XY and MN intersect at point O. XY and MN intersect at O.